Hi, I'm Dan, and today I'm playing around with Python and PyTorch and training a model that I got from Hugging Face. So right here is my training code. I actually had ChatGPT write this one for me, but here's the model. It's Quen 2.5-0.b.5b, and I am training it on this file here. Now, because I'm such a big fan of the Amstrad PCW line of computers, and in fact have one right behind me, I'm training it on Amstrad facts. So what I have here is the first point of data is what processor does the Amstrad PCW use, and that is answered over here as the Zilog Z80A. And then I'm reinforcing this with slight variations, like which CPU is used, what microprocessor powers the PCW. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to make sure that there's context and that variations of this question are going to give you the right answer. So I have a few other things in here as well, like what operating system, what word processing software, what is LocalScript, which is of course the word processing software most commonly found on the Amstrad PCW. A couple of questions about memory, when it was released, and does it support a mouse? It actually does, although you have to get special software for it. So here's our training script that we're loading in amstrad.jsonl. Now I've been tweaking this. Like I said, ChatGPT wrote the majority of this for me, but I've been tweaking these two pieces of code here, the training epochs and the learning rate. Now this particular 100 epochs, it does take a while, but it does give you very good results with this admittedly quite small data set. So there's a script right here where I'm actually communicating with the model called amstrad-run.py. And right here I'm asking it the question, which CPU is used in the Amstrad PCW, which is part of the training data. So we should get a good result. And we do. I'm going to run this again so you can see how long it takes. It doesn't take very long. But I'm running amstrad-run.py. And the first thing it's going to do is warn me about sending unauthenticated requests, which I am doing, and that's fine, for this little experiment at least. And here we go. Here's my question. Which CPU is used in the Amstrad PCW? And my answer is the Amstrad PCW uses a Zilog Z80A processor running at 4 megahertz. It's a very simple example of training a model, but it works. You know, it's been an interesting little experiment with PyTorch for me. And there you go, training a model on Amstrad facts. Thank you for watching.